Hello, this is Alam here. I'm going to do a quick demo of Klaris. Klaris is an AI analyst workforce for insurance team. As part of the onboarding, it's pretty simple. It's a three-step process. The first part is connecting to all the data that the company has. It can be an agency management system, it can be a policy management system, it can be a CRM, it can be a database. We connect with all those systems. The second step Klaris does is in an automated way pull all the information and metadata of these systems and create a unified understanding of what that data means. And this is what is captured here if you see on the screen. The third part is very important, which is a knowledge repository which Claris creates from day one and it compounds as you use the application. So here are all the business rules, metrics, and definition that Claris creates. For example, if you see here, there are 7 definitions. When people are using the application, Claris has automatically learned those definitions. Once you've done that, it's pretty simple. You can directly go and as any smart analyst constantly evaluates and monitors all the important metrics. Here, Claris tracks from the lead point of view to the cash, which is the entire marketing and revenue funnel. It tracks automatically. For example, here you see the pre-MQL, MQLs, post-MQLs, and whenever something goes down, it automatically triggers an alert and monitors all the important metrics and shows the report to the respective individuals. Here you can see all the lapse count, lapse rate, the cash, the realization of the cash, and the commissions. Now, the other aspect is how a telesales agent will basically call an individual and a lead at the right time. And what Claris does as a super smart operation analyst provides an intelligence to help these telesales agent to close better leads. For example, here it is mentioned how many conversations were missed, how many sales were missed, what's the dollar opportunity cost that was missed, and finally gives a roster based on the right lead to the right person who should call that particular lead. This is all done automatically through Calendars. The third part is how you create custom agents. So imagine a financial team in that company wants to do regular monitoring of metrics and wants to create a weekly performance review for their board or their internal meeting. What you can do is come here, define the goal of what you want to do, what metrics you want to track, what root causes you want to track in that entire week. And what Class done is it automatically runs with all the data, with all your definitions and rules, and creates the report automatically for you. Right now, the capability is more report generation, Excel, Excel fulfillment, but in future, we plan to basically take governed actions through this particular feature. And the last part is very simple. Uh, all the leaders in the company will have a way to do a question answer based on your data. For example, a marketing leader can come and say, for last 4 Monday, I want to see the marketing performance based on these metrics. And you can do a quick natural language session with Claris, and Claris can give you ad hoc data based on your requirement. Apart from this, there are few features like dashboards, sharing the important things. So essentially, what Claris provides is multiple agents which can work together and fulfill all the requirement that the company has with respect to data and analytics. Thank you. Bye.